There's hotel. Find it. There's hotel. Next plane trip. I love Fort Lauderdale. Flying high in the sky.
Oh, there's the wheels. Turn that on.
What?
Restart daddies.
Prepare for landing. Flying high in Yes.
Get your phone off the ground.
We haven't.
Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit would like to welcome you to, I was going to say Hawaii, but I didn't think you'd go for it, for Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is approximately 9:26, 9:27. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and bags still stowed until we have reached the gate and the captain turns that seatbelt sign off. That will be your only indication that it is safe then for you to stand up to gather your belongings. Always use caution when opening the overhead bins. At this time, you may power on your cell phones as long as they are within your reach. For those of you with checked luggage, and Fort Lauderdale is your final destination, you may claim it at Spirit Baggage Claim Area. For any of our customers that need special assistance today, like a wheelchair, please remain comfortably seated until the majority of the passengers have deplaned so that we can better assist you since wheelchairs are usually not accessible till the end of the deplaning process. And for anyone who may be continuing in another Spirit Airlines destination, please ask the gate agent to check the monitors for gate information and departure time. We thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We know you have a choice in air travel, and we do look forward to seeing you again on another Spirit Airlines flight. You may visit us online at spirit.com, where you can enter your comments, get low fares on future flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, even cruises. And the entire Spirit Airlines family, especially this cabin crew, we wish you a very pleasant stay here in Fort Lauderdale, or wherever your final destination will be. And if Fort Lauderdale or surrounding area happens to be your home, welcome home. I know some of you have connections. Some of you are going to Medellin. Some of you are going to Cancun. Even if this is your aircraft, because this is it goes out of the country, the whole plane is going to have to go through a security search, so everyone has to deplane. Besides, you can find cleaner bathrooms probably and better things to eat out there. Thank you.
Did you have fun with the trip?
Ladies and gentlemen, we need everyone to remain seated at this time. This aircraft has to come to the gate and that seatbelt sign turned off. This is for your safety. Once again, please remain seated. Thank you.